Let's find out. 27 different words which start with the letter K. This is how the alphabet K looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. K for kitten, kitten. K for kangaroo, kangaroo. K for koala, koala. K for Komodo dragon, Komodo dragon. K for king cobra, king cobra. K for kiwi, kiwi. K for kale, kale. K for ketchup, ketchup. K for kimchi, kimchi. K for kettle, kettle. K for key, key. K for keychain, keychain. K for keyboard, keyboard. K for knitwear, knitwear. K for kimono, kimono. K for night, night. K for knot, knot. K for knob, knob. K for knife, knife. K for kaleidoscope, kaleidoscope. K for knapsack, knapsack. K for karate, karate. K for kitchen, kitchen. K for knee, knee. K for kennel, kennel. K for kayak, kayak. K for kelp, kelp. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.